I am Dr. Rosa Correa. Welcome to my channel. I've done a lot of research in the field of health to help you. Enjoy this video. Keto Trim is a formula that supports one's keto weight loss journey by reducing the absorption of complex carbohydrates. The ketogenic diet is taking the fitness and well-being industry by storm, and keto supplements to support this are becoming wildly popular. Keto Trim with Phase 2 Carb Controller can reduce the absorption of dietary starches by up to 66%, supporting a low-carbohydrate lifestyle. The high-quality dietary supplement can support people on their keto journeys. The ketogenic diet is taking the fitness and well-being industry by storm, and keto supplements to support this are becoming wildly popular. The ketogenic diet is popular because it works. The basic idea of a keto diet is to use up stored fat as energy to achieve weight loss. The low-carb, high-fat diet aims to put the body in a metabolic state known as ketosis. During the natural ketogenesis process, the liver converts fats into ketone bodies, which can be used as fuel for the brain and muscles. Saying goodbye to starch can be challenging. Potatoes, pasta, rice, they are staples in many diets around the world, but these starch-containing ingredients are not considered keto-friendly. This is where Keto Trim can help. Taking Keto Trim Carb Controller before a meal containing starch can reduce starch digestion by almost 70% by reducing the action of digestive enzyme alpha amylase. Supports keto weight loss goals. Restricting carbohydrates in your diet and getting into ketosis can be difficult. Hero ingredient white kidney bean extract can support people in reaching their weight loss goals. Taking just one Keto Trim capsule before a meal with starch reduces the amount of carbs that would otherwise pass the digestive system. Low-carbohydrate diet followers don't have to feel guilty about cheat meals. Keto Trim is made in the USA. The key ingredient in the supplement, white kidney bean, is grown in the US. Other ingredients in the formula are both domestic and imported. Keto Trim is formulated with a patented natural white kidney bean extract, which has been shown to reduce the digestion and absorption of dietary starches by up to 66%. In recent times, the ketogenic diet has become a hugely popular method for attempting to lose weight. The key to a keto diet is minimizing carbohydrate intake to typically less than 50 grams per day. By significantly reducing the amount of carbs you eat, more of your body's stored fat begins to be freed and used as your primary energy source, which is exactly what you want. Ketogenesis happens in the liver, where metabolized fatty acids are converted to ketone bodies, which can be used in the brain, muscles, and other vital organs for energy. Ketogenesis increases during a fast, but prolonged or chronic fasting can starve your body of other vital nutrients. Keto Trim is formulated to support you on your keto journey by reducing the amount of dietary starch your body can digest and absorb. Even when taken with a high-carbohydrate diet, the key ingredient in Keto Trim Phase 2 has been found to support weight loss. Features clinically studied Phase 2 Carb Controller. The quality white kidney bean extract in Keto Trim was patented as Phase 2 after extensive clinical studies. Keto Trim is made with U.S.-grown white kidney beans in an FDA-registered facility. The hero ingredient in the Keto Trim formula is a market leader that is widely used and trusted worldwide. The ketogenic diet is a wildly popular method in the world of fitness and weight loss. Several big-name celebrities have attributed their drastic weight loss transformations to this diet, which aims to achieve the metabolic state of ketosis. It is important to understand what ketosis is, and the benefits it can provide, before deciding to use any ketosis-supporting health supplement. The natural fat-burning process. Ketogenesis is the natural process where your liver converts metabolized fats into ketone bodies, which can be used as fuel for your brain, heart, muscles, and other active tissue. Ketogenesis happens whenever your blood sugar is particularly low, like during fasting or after prolonged effort without carbs, and is the opposite mechanism to the storage of fat. Ketosis is when you're using up ketone bodies rather than sugar as fuel, and since ketone bodies are made from fat via ketogenesis, ketosis essentially means you're using up stored fat. Sounds ideal, doesn't it? Dealing with carb cravings. Restricting carbohydrates in your diet and getting into ketosis can be difficult. On the keto diet, carb intake is typically limited to 50 g a day. But high-carb foods including potatoes, pasta, rice, white bread, and even corn can be challenging to eliminate from your diet. Even if you do have the occasional cheat meal on your keto or low-carb diet, Keto Trim Carb Controller can help restrict the enzymes that are needed for starch digestion. Phase 2. The Carb Blocker. By taking Keto Trim Carb Controller before a starch-containing meal, you can reduce starch digestion, supporting you with your low-carb lifestyle. Phase 2 has been studied extensively, and clinical studies have found the patented white kidney bean extract may reduce digestion of dietary starches. It achieves this by reducing the action of the digestive enzyme alpha amylase. Keto Trim Carb Controller, combined with a progressive diet and exercise program, could be your secret weapon in achieving your weight loss goals. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.